Searching for the best Nike running shoes for women can feel overwhelming, especially when you just want a pair that feels great and improves your performance. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Women's Launch 11. First up, we have the Women's Launch 11 neutral running shoe from Brooks, priced at $128.28. What really caught my attention is the DNA Flash Foam underfoot, which promises quick energy returns. If you want a shoe that helps you feel lighter and faster, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The nitrogen-infused DNA Flash midsole offers a responsive experience that propels your stride, giving you an energizing ride, which is crucial if you're looking to improve your running efficiency. The updated Road Tack rubber outsole enhances traction, meaning you can make those quick transitions during your runs without worrying about slipping. Just imagine running on a rainy day and feeling confident with every step. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit snug for wider feet. Here's the thing though, if you have a narrower foot, this snugness might actually help you feel more secure. But if you're someone who needs a roomier fit, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're a competitive runner or someone who enjoys hitting the trails on weekends. Skip this one if you have wider feet or need maximum cushioning for longer runs. Considering the features, I think you're getting solid value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable, the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility and style. Product number 2, Women's Revel 7. Next up is the Women's Revel 7 neutral running shoe, coming in at $89.77. Right off the bat, this shoe stood out to me for its combination of sporty style and springy performance. If you want a shoe that can handle everything from workouts to casual outings, this is worth checking out. The adaptable DNA midsole cushioning technology is a game changer, as it adjusts to your stride, weight, and speed. This means you're getting the right support exactly when you need it, which can help prevent injuries and improve your comfort level. It also has a plush feeling against your foot, thanks to the soft tongue and updated comfort collar design. This is crucial for all-day wear. However, some users noted that the shoe might not provide enough arch support for those with high arches. But honestly, if you're using this for short runs or casual wear, it's still a solid option without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish shoe for various activities. Skip this one if you're a serious runner needing specific arch support. Given the price and features, you really can't go wrong here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually surprise you with its unique features. Product number 3, Nike Sneaker. Now let's talk about the Nike Sneaker, priced at $159.14. What caught my eye is the wide heel design, which ensures a solid base for weightlifting and other workouts. If you want something that supports you during intense training sessions, this is worth a serious look. The softer foam core cushions your foot, providing comfort during heavy lifts or runs. Plus, the wide internal weave helps distribute pressure around your midfoot, which is essential if you find your shoes uncomfortable during sudden changes of direction. With over 100 units sold in the past month, it's clear this shoe is getting some love. Now, some users mentioned that the sizing felt a bit off, leading to some discomfort. But here's the thing, if you can try the shoe on before buying, you'll be able to get that perfect fit, so it's not a deal breaker as long as you're mindful. This is perfect for you if you're into cross-training or need a reliable shoe for weightlifting. Skip this one if you prefer running shoes that are lighter and more breathable. It's a solid investment for your workout wardrobe. If you want something even more lightweight, let's move on to the next product. Product number 4, Women's Free Metcon 5. Next, we have the Women's Free Metcon 5 workout shoes for $105.75. What I really liked about these shoes is the breathable mesh upper, designed to keep your feet cool during intense workouts. If you sweat a lot or are training hard, this is worth considering. The lightweight mesh not only helps with ventilation, but also adds to the overall comfort during workouts. You can really feel the difference when you're pushing through those last reps. It's crucial not to have your feet feeling too hot or restricted. Plus, The flexibility in the shoe allows for a natural range of motion, which is great for dynamic movements. A drawback some might point out is the lack of cushioning compared to more traditional running shoes. But here's the thing, if you're doing high-intensity workouts, it's about balance. You want some responsiveness without feeling weighed down. This is perfect for you if you're doing circuit training or high-impact workouts. Skip this one if you prefer maximum cushioning for long-distance runs. With its price point, it's a solid choice for dedicated fitness enthusiasts. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more cushioning, the last one on my list might be exactly what you need. Product number 5. Women's ReactX Infinity RN 4. Finally, let's look at the women's ReactX Infinity RN 4 shoes, priced at $133.47. What drew me in is its promise of comfort and support with every step. If you're someone who needs a cushioned ride for your longer runs, this is worth taking a closer look. This is especially helpful if you're training for a distance race, making every mile feel more manageable. Plus, the synthetic and rubber materials ensure durability, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear too quickly. However, some users found the fit a bit tight around the toe box. But honestly, if you have regular or narrower feet, you'll likely appreciate the secure feel. It's just something to consider if you prefer extra room. This is perfect for you if you're training for long distances or want maximum comfort. Skip this one if you have wider feet or prefer a more minimal feel. Considering the technology and support, it's a great value for serious runners. So to quickly sum up, we have the Launch 11 for speed and responsiveness, the Revel 7 for versatility and style, the Nike Sneaker for solid support, the Free Metcon 5 for breathability during workouts, and the ReactX Infinity RN 4 for maximum cushioning. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the women's Launch 11 because it perfectly combines energy return and comfort for all types of running. As for the one to avoid, I'd say the Nike Sneaker isn't for everyone due to sizing issues. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.